Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use Canva background remover. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just open your Canva design. Now, in here, let's upload the image with background. Just drag it over to uploads. That's it, there it is. Okay, now just click on the image. And first of all, I want to make sure that you have to be on Pro version in order to use this feature. So make sure you are on the Pro version. Now just click on the image and just click over here on BG remover. As you can see, the background is removed. Now if you don't have a Pro version, you can also use background remover by going over here on the search bar and typing background remover. Just go on this website remove.bg. Just upload your image and the background will be removed. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.